Hey, what's up, Algorand? My name is Daniel. Welcome to solum.algo. Today I'm going to show you guys Yuoku, the new game. I showed you guys the beta test of this last week, and it's become very popular, and I want to show you guys how you can participate and get into this game real quick. The first thing you want to do is go to algos.nft.com, and this is where you can purchase your boxes for the shuffle to get a hold of a creature for the game. And let's see here. You go to the Yuoku creatures here, and you can see if you go to shuffles, you can either just buy a character. There's some that are already for sale here. Or if you go to the shuffles, you can see the different size bags that you can get. And these are packaged 3 and 1 and 4 and 2. And we're going to do the 1 so I can show you guys. And if you got the whitelist, that one's right here. And I already claimed the whitelist. And you'll go there and you will buy the bag there, and it'll open up on your wallet on your phone because y'all have already signed in. So you can see how this is done. And then you can confirm that, and that will run the purchase. Boom. And so that's how that works there. And once you've claimed that, you can now go and open the bag, and that's done at claim.yuoku.world. And to do that, you're going to connect your wallet. You do have to use ParaWallet on this one. For the game, defi seems to work for me, but for this one, you do have to use Algo wallet. And again, to connect, choose the wallet you want to connect with, and then you'll want to click the login and confirm that. And that will log you in. And when you log in, you'll see any of the bags that you currently have. And so you can see the one we just purchased there. And then to see what's inside, you just open it and sign the transaction. And you'll get a character there, a monster, a creature. And then once you've claimed him there, you can come over and launch the game. The sign in for this is done the same way as the other one that we just did. And you can find your creature under the Yuoku hub. So here's my creatures. I've got my human that I won during the beta. And I have this guy that I got from the whitelist. And now I've got this guy here. And so you can see that. And then the next thing you do is we're going to send him on a mission. And so we're going to bring him in here. And you can see he's right there. You select him, send selected, and he goes on the mission. So now you can see who's on the mission right here. And then when completed, they'll be here, and you can claim whatever prizes were won. So you got items you can win, 5% chance, XP points, get nothing, or you could lose XP points. So that's how that works. That's basically the whole game for now. And then you can level up those characters and send them on different missions. You do have to do the training rounds several times to get enough to level up enough to play the next missions. So that's how that works. And they're still working on the game and developing. And so hopefully we see more great stuff coming out of this project. But it's a pretty neat game. And there's a lot of things you can collect and characters and stuff to it. So y'all have fun, and that's a quick overview of this game, and I hope you enjoy, and let me know what you think of the game. Anyways, take care.